now have the worn Evo 10 with synthetic rope. Here's what we're going to put on. Put the fair lead on with an 18mm bolt head. There's a slot here for the square nut. Put them all in. We're ready to go. Now we'll pick up the winch and set it in position. Next, we have to secure these 4 bolts. Now with the winch installed, we've got to route the cable. In order to do this, we're going to run it right back behind here, right back behind here, in through here, under the breather, around the battery, to the cables. In order to do this, we'll pop the grill loose. Give myself a little more room to work. So take a tool, pop the center up, pull the insert out, and you may lift the grill away. As you can see, the routing of the positive cable down through here, right down through there, down here, and it goes under the grill right here. We'll now follow the ground wire to match.